Hello, if you want to clear your charging port on the iPhone 16, then first of all, if you don't have any tools to do this properly, then you can use the household items. So you can use your toothbrush, or for example, you can use any other thin plastic item. I'm gonna use this SIM tool, but I don't recommend you to input any metal parts inside your port. And before you start inputting here something, be sure that you turn off your iPhone. Okay, so that's very important. And now when you have the plastic item, then you have to actually try to input it right here for one of the edge. So I'm gonna actually input it right here to the right side, and now you have to gently put it into this second side. But remember to do this gently, to don't break anything. And then you can do this, start doing the same from this left side. So be patient until you actually take it off. You have to do this from the left side, from the right side. And as you can see right now, it's almost gone. You shouldn't actually put here any liquid inside. It's not recommended. I know that iPhone is actually water resistant. There's like IP68 rating, but I wouldn't actually recommend you to put here any liquid. So do this with the dry items, with the plastic items, and now it's finished. If you still cannot plug the cable right here, okay, right now in my case everything is fine. But if you still have this issue, then I will highly recommend you to use a professional service. They will definitely fix your USB port. But you can also try this simple process in your house on your iPhone 16. So yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.